analysis video for Boruto chapter 56. This chapter opens with Boruto being interviewed about his involvement in the defeat of Ishiki, which is very similar to when he helped defeat Momoshiki. After the interview, Boruto goes to the Hokage monument to be alone when Kawaki approaches him with an idea to help him survive the karma mark. Kawaki's idea is to have Boruto place a karma mark on someone else. Code is the person Kawaki says might be the person to try it on, since he survived the karma mark once, and while he was not compatible with Ishiki, he might be with Boruto. Kawaki reasons that it might be possible for Boruto to do this, since he possesses 80% of the Otsutsuki data already, and when it is complete, he will lose control of his body. During this time, Naruto and Shikamaru are talking with Amando, who tells them about Code, that he is actually stronger than Ishiki, and explains Ishiki only spared Code's life because of how devoted he was to Ishiki, that Code had limiters placed on his body to reduce his strength, as to not undermine Ishiki as the leader of Kara. Amando says that he is the only one who can remove the limiters placed on Code's body, so in addition to revenge, Code will also come after Amando to have the limiters removed. Amando also says he built androids stronger than Ishiki, but then Ishiki had them disabled, which is why he made Kashin Koji. The rest of the Leaf Genin made a bit of an appearance in this chapter. Sumire was shown by Amando how to carry out repairs on Kawaki's body. Perhaps Amando suspects Code will kill him soon, so he is teaching Sumire, so someone in Konoha can make repairs to Kawaki after he is gone. Sarada, Mitsuki, and Shikadai was shown watching Boruto's interview. Sarada is annoyed because the rest of Team 7 can't go on missions because Boruto is under guard, since his life is in danger from Code and Momoshiki taking over his body again. The chapter ends with a pretty amazing reveal. Code was shown going to one of the bases run by the other Kara Inner, Baro. His reason for going is to reactivate one of the androids kept there, one of the androids made by Amando, to defeat Ishiki. Overall, I say this was a really good chapter. I really like seeing the other Leaf Genin after so many chapters, especially since it seems they're setting up Sumire to be Kawaki's doctor, which will help keep her relevant as the manga goes on. I really hope they add ways to keep the rest of the Konoha Genin relevant to the story. The rapidly increasing power levels is something I am disliking a little about the manga overall. Code being revealed to be stronger than Ishiki bothers me a little. While in one sense it gives us an epic battle to look forward to, it also seems like it's happening a little too quick. Ishiki was a threat so great it permanently weakened both Naruto and Sasuke. So to have it revealed in the next chapter that there is now an even greater threat seems to take away a little from the sacrifice Naruto and Kurama just made. At least that's my opinion. I think it would have been better to have Code build up his strength for a while by training and challenging other Kara members before having his powers be greater than Ishiki's. Especially when you consider that he got his powers at the same time as Kawaki. Though Ishiki probably stopped Kawaki from getting stronger during that time period. The androids, while I think they are a cool idea, mentioning them and showing them in the same chapter, I think took a lot of the potential build-up for their reveal away. Plus, there is a parallel to be made between these androids and the androids of Dragon Ball Z. Goku was the strongest person on Earth at that point, so the only type of human that could pose a threat to him would be an android. Without the karma mark, being an android seems to be about the only way to be in the current power scale, as being a Jinchuriki or having Rinnegan seem to be barely enough. The androids also mean Naruto and Sasuke are much lower in the world power scale than before. Ishiki was stronger than Naruto and Sasuke combined. It was Kawaki's trick that made up the difference. So if these androids are stronger than Ishiki, that means they are much stronger than either Naruto or Sasuke combined. So now we have 7 unknown androids in Code, who are all stronger than Ishiki. That puts Naruto and Sasuke in 9th and 10th place on the current world power scale. So it is kinda hard to imagine how a lot of the current Konoha Genin will have a part to play in the current story. With the power levels in the manga increasing so rapidly, I hope characters like Sarada and Mitsuki get power-ups so they can stay relevant in future battles in the manga. Chapter 57 will drop on the Viz website on April 20th. I'm Silver Ninja Neko, and thank you for watching my video.